लु भन लु फेरि 1 2 3 गो
Hello, namaste. Welcome back to Jasna Jasna YouTube channel. And today I have Waylon. And today we're gonna eat momo, chowmein, and chapati. Papur.
पापड ओके
Papur.
अनि तपाईहरुसँग के खाने कुरा छ ड्रिंक
Oh, drink. Your orange juice.
ओरेन्ज जुस अस
Fanta. Start with. Another one with chowmein. Mama.
छोड्दिनु छोड्दिनु न छोड्दिनु खानु 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 खानु
Go back. It's yours. Chapate. Dami.
हामी चोक भयो चोक गर्यो
Almost.
अलमोस्ट
My gosh.
हजुर
My gosh.
Eat it. Eat it. Go ahead.
Oh my god.
ओ माय गॉड
This is great.
ओ जसना ए जसना रे वेलेन मोमो खाँदैन बाबा स्पाइसी भयो के जी बाबा
I put too much sauce.
ए
Yeah.
के हुँदैन नि बहिनीले खाँदा नि
Hello.
पिकबु
Oh.
के भयो औ भन्छ त
सबै खायो मलाई
ए तिमीले झन्डाले खाइसके सबै
यो दुईटा वेल्नु खान्छ
यो दुईटा वेलेनले खान्छ
हजुर कुकमा अलमोस्ट सबै खायो
हो र
सबै उसको चाउमिन
हो र विलियनले पिरो लाछ कि छैन विलियनको चाउमिनमा नि ए सस लगाएर ए त्यो भएर गयो अहिले चाहिँ हामी कसको घरमा छौँ
वेलनको मम्मीको घरमा
विलियनको घरमा कि विलियनको मम्मी घरमा
वेलनको मम्मी
ए हो र ल ल तिम्रो साथी विलियनको मम्मीले बनाउनु भएको चाउमिन कस्तो छ विलियनको मम्मीले बनाउनु भएको चाउमिन कस्तो छ दामी छ नानी रिता आन्टी नि बेस्ट कुकर हो कि होइन आन्टी बेस्ट कुक गर्नुहुन्छ कि हुन्न रहेछ भन्नु न टेल मी ट्रु इज ओके मिडियम मिडियम इज ओके ओके इज ओके वाट आई लाइक भन न इज ओके बाबा इज ओके ओके आन्टी मिन भएको होइन अरे ल जसना इज ओके अरे
I like it. You can take this one bit. Okay. You want it? Okay.
वाउ कति मजाले खाएको बच्चाहरूले त
Then back.
नखाने भने नखाँदा हुन्छ
Can't you?
खान्छु
Mommy can't even check.
Mommy can.
Can.
हुँदैन खानु न अघि भर्खर अघि चाखेको अनि अब एकछिनमा भिडियोमा खान्छु नि
Yeah.
एकछिन भिडियोमा खान्छु है धन्यवाद सोधेकोमा छैन आएको छैन बाबा आएको छैन पिराउने मान्छेले अनि अझै त्यहाँनिर नि लगाएर खाएको झन् सस हजुर के गर्नुपर्छ बाबा गर्नुपर्छ के हजुर कति मिठोले खाएको मिलो उसले त फेभरेट हो वाउ कति मजाले खाएको
Women can have mine.
हजुर इट्स ओके बाबा
That's not mine. No, have it.
राख न त बिचमा राख न त त्यहाँनिर उयसमा पापडमा नखाने भने आज हामी कहाँ जान्छौँ
Nepal.
नेपाल जान्छौँ बहिनी सुन्नु न यहाँ के भन्दैछ हामी कहाँ जान्छौँ अरे आज नेपाल जान्छौँ
Today?
अह
Not today.
कहिले
Summer.
समरमा ए को जान्छ
Today we're gonna go paint.
कहाँनिर हो भन त
That's not school.
Okay,
Me
bro.
and women.
ओके
Why am I you know, this is not school. Why did I think it was a school? Can we do hairspray?
ओ यस अनि फेसमा पेन्ट पनि गर्ने ओके फेसमा नि पेन्ट गर्ने हो तिमीहरूले हुन्छ द्याट्स फाइन गर्ने भने गर यु डोन्ट वान्ट टु
Like here or?
स्कुलमा स्कुलमा जाने गर्ने हो
It's washable. Excuse me.
अघि चाहिँ क्वाइट भयो अहिले दामी गऱ्यो नि त उनीहरूले
What you saying? You know the cakewalk? It's actually like musical chairs. Cakewalk? Yeah. And this is what I was told. And if you win around, you get a cake. A little piece of cake? Little cake or a toy cake? I want a little cake. We just ate. I'm so hungry. I'm a second grader. I'm a fourth grader.
फोर्थ
I'm gonna be in 5th grade. Wait. I think. I'm gonna be in 3rd grade.
तिमीले उयसमा कति ल्याएको छ स्कुलमा त्यो मार्कसिट हुन्छ नि
I got AB honor roll, so I get A's. Good at math. Subject. Math.
तिम्रो
Mine used to be math, but that was mine is art.
आर्ट न अनि सेकेन्ड के आर्ट बाइक
2nd grade I.
होइन सेकेन्ड ग्रेड होइन कि तिम्रो सब्जेक्टहरूमा नि आर्ट बाइक अरू कुन हो तिम्रो फेभरेट सब्जेक्ट हो
Like math, reading, and science.
अह
I like reading more.
हो र
Yeah.
अनि पहिला त म्याथ मन पर्थ्यो त नि
No, now I don't. It's hard. It's a little hard for me. What? Math?
अनि तिमीले हार्ड भने पनि 100 ल्याउँछौ त अनि मार्क त जहिले नि के भएर ल्याएको
I do like art.
जसना अनि तिमीले नि हार्ड भन्छौ अनि के भएर अनि 100मा 100 ल्याउँछौ त अनि के भएर
Do I get 100, Mama?
हो र
Mama, do I get 100? She said yes. I always get like 100, right? In 2nd grade, there was like we were doing like coin thing, right?
Wait,
like counting, coining.
The Panther Fest?
No, counting coins. Because it was like something we did in 2nd grade, right? And I was like, every single time we did it, I always got it the first try, and I always did it first.
What?
Yeah.
Do you know Silent Ball?
Huh?
Do you know Silent Ball?
No.
It's a game where you have to. So it's a game where you have to catch the ball. Like when there's lots of people, you have to move up and clap one time. If there's 3 people, there's someone that has to be the king or the queen, and they go on the carpet and they stand in front of the board, and and they can decide who's out. And if you do a bad throw, you're out. If you couldn't catch it, but it was a good throw, the other person that couldn't catch it is out. And then you have to clap. You can go up to 4 or 5 or 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 100. If it doesn't end. If it doesn't end, it has to be like 3, and then if it doesn't end again, it's at 4. We went up to 5.
Johannes.
I don't know, maybe 4.
खानु न बाबुले
Have you ever won?
खाऊ
Like you have to clap. No, I never won, even though
खाऊ
I was about to win. I was about to win. The queen or king has to get out if there's only 2 people, but they can still rule who wins. Thank you very much.
Well, we didn't eat this all.
But we are full.
We hope you like our video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. And don't forget to comment down below what we should do next in our channel. And don't forget to go to Jasna YouTube channel. And don't forget to go to Jasna and Jasna Instagram, and don't forget to go to Jasna TikTok.
Bye
guys. Hope you like our video. Bye.
Mom.
I'm still hungry.